Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well. So today I want to measure the voltage battery and then the alternator battery, but let's check if we have the optimum voltage or not. Right now our battery, it has 12.53, which is good. The voltage more than 12, that's fine, and it's a good and healthy battery. But if you wait 1 or 2 minutes, it will be a little bit reduced from 12.53. Now we have 12.36. Now let's start the engine and check how much we have voltage drop. It's 10.69 from 12.52. It means the starter motor consumes almost 2 volts to start the engine and rotate the gear wheel plus the flywheel. And now the voltage of the battery is 1404, which is the perfect one. Okay, but now let's check the voltage of the dynamo. If you got more than 13.5, it means you have a good dynamo, or it's the second name of the alternator. The official name of it is alternator. So now let's disconnect the wire from the battery and connect it to the alternator. For the alternator, the positive, the red line, the red wire, we have to connect it to the V positive, which is consume the voltage and the current from the positive port of the battery in here. The negative one, we have to connect it to the bottom of the alternator. It will be in here. So now let's check the voltage. The voltage is, we can say, 12.50. It's a little bit less than what it should be because the voltage of the battery was 14.4. Okay, then we have to get the voltage of the dynamo almost like 13.5. Unfortunately it's showing us 12.5. And also if you put in the negative, if you put in the wrong position, you will get the zero. So for sure you will know where you have to put the negative wire. So unfortunately we don't have a good alternator because the difference between the battery and the alternator is more than half volts, like almost 1.5 volts is different. So we have a bad alternator that we have to change it. By the way, the condition is good, the vehicle is running, but it means that this alternator, it won't work for a long time, maybe 2 months or 3 months. That's it. Thank you for watching.